Welcome to this Whirly Global Supply Chain Lab video in partnership with the Media Innovation Center at the WVU College of Creative Arts and Media. Our journey to ice cream begins on a dairy farm in the fertile Ohio River Valley, nestled in the northern Appalachian Range. The supply of milk starts at this farm, where cows graze in the field. The milk obtained from these cows is stored on the farm for pickup by a delivery truck. The raw milk and cream are stored for no more than 72 hours before being transported. The truck driver takes samples from the tank to ensure the milk is safe for human consumption. Once the tanker truck is filled, the milk is on its way to become the frozen treats we know and love, ice cream. Millie's Ice Cream Factory, located in Homestead, Pennsylvania, is close to a high-quality milk supply in northern Appalachia. As a small batch producer, milk and cream are transported in refrigerated box trucks to Millie's factory. Here, Benny, the production manager, hauls the milk and cream totes into the factory to make ice cream. Benny assembles the dry ingredients, including sugar and flavorings, for the next production batch. As a part of the production setup, Benny carefully measures each ingredient according to a strict bill of materials, which serves as the recipe for each kind of ice cream. He then ensures the recording equipment, like the circular thermograph, is able to track the pasteurization temperature in the pasteurization tanks. In preparation for the pasteurization process, Chad Townsend, the founder and owner of Millie's, connects the whole milk tote to the pasteurization and mixing tank. After conducting a visual check of the tank, Chad operates the pump to start filling the tank with milk. Chad uses a sanitized stainless steel dipstick to carefully monitor the milk's quantity, according to the bill of materials recipe. When the required level is reached, Chad turns off the pump and switches from the milk to the cream tote. After the cream tote is connected, Chad operates the pump to start filling cream into the tank. He makes sure to open the tank vent to safely pump the cream into the tank. Once the desired levels are reached, Chad turns off the pump and starts the mixing and pasteurization process. During the mixing stage, Benny adds the dry ingredients to the tank according to the bill of materials recipe. Doing this at this stage ensures the dry ingredients are properly mixed and dissolved into the mixture. He then adds eggs, which gives Millie's ice cream its distinctive, rich flavor. The mix is pasteurized for about 30 minutes at approximately 165 degrees Fahrenheit. After the pasteurization process, the mix is pumped through a two-stage heat exchanger, where it's cooled to about 40 degrees Fahrenheit and then transferred into an aging tank. Depending on the recipe requirements, the mixture ages for a few hours or up to a few days. This aging process allows ingredients to mix thoroughly and gives the ice cream mixture its distinctive texture. To assist with the aging process, agitators are used to mix the ice cream mixture. Once the mix is properly aged, it is pumped through a continuous freezer, where it is churned, frozen, and mixed with air in a process called overrun. At this stage, the mix has the consistency of soft serve ice cream. The pint filling machine is connected to the continuous freezer, but before the pints are filled, the mix is tasted and tested. The machine dispenses empty pints into a carousel, where each pint is filled with ice cream, lidded, and the weight is checked and adjusted by Benny if necessary. Each pint is then laser printed with a date and a batch number to facilitate any potential recall process. Eddie then stores the packaged pints into the hardening freezer, where they remain for 24 hours before being transported to retail locations. Chad also assembles scoop buckets, used to serve ice cream at Millie's scoop shops. These scoop buckets are filled, weighed, and sealed, then stored in the deep freezer. Benny assembles a shipment of scoop buckets and other supplies, including waffle cone mix, toppings, and syrups for the scoop shops. These items are transported by refrigerated box trucks to each of Millie's stores. Before starting the next batch of ice cream, all equipment, pipes, pumps, tanks, must be cleaned using a hot water and caustic soda spray. The cleaning process involves attaching spray balls to the tanks, through which hot water and chemicals are sprayed inside. After cleaning, the equipment is thoroughly rinsed with hot water to remove all traces of chemicals and leftover product. Thank you for joining us on this journey from farm to freezer, exploring the intricate process behind Millie's ice cream. We hope this video gave you a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship and care that goes into every scoop.